Hi, I am Sayokta from Absolute Beauty Concepts and I am beyond excited to introduce you to Cremerie, a 25-year-old brand from Italy. Cremerie SkinCAPZ is first of its kind global product innovation with monodose capsule facial, specially crafted for salon professionals in India and to meet the needs of Indian skincare. Cremerie SkinCAPZ capsule facial kit is easy to use, salon friendly, cost effective and addresses all skin conditions. These facial kits are developed with 99% natural ingredients, are vegan and cruelty free.
The professional facial kit contains 3 capsules in 2 sachets and are available in pack of 5. The 24-karat gold with filler effect, the brightening kit for pigmented and dull skin, the anti-aging facial kit, the purifying kit for oily and breakout prone skin, and the moisturizing and calming facial kit for sensitive and dehydrated skin conditions.
It's a 5-step ritual and can be extended up to 8 steps for additional benefit. The usage for all the facial kits are the same. Now let's have a look at the application of our hero product, the Cremerie 24-karat gold facial.